freezing, you're about to see it all. And before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another behind-the-scenes look into the world of food production. Let's get started. Every great pizza begins with just a few simple ingredients: dough, sauce, cheese, and toppings. The dough is made from flour, yeast, oil, salt, and a few preservatives to keep it fresh. The sauce is a rich blend of tomatoes and spices, carefully crafted to deliver the perfect balance of flavor and smooth texture. The cheese, usually mozzarella, sometimes gets a little extra kick from provolone or cheddar. And of course, the toppings, whether it's classic pepperoni, fresh vegetables, or gourmet ingredients like truffle mushrooms. Every frozen pizza starts with these essential building blocks. But what happens next is where the real magic begins. In a home kitchen, kneading dough takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. But inside a pizza factory, an industrial mixer does it in just minutes. Giant steel vats blend refined flour, salt, oil, sugar, and cornmeal into a soft, elastic dough. Then active yeast is added, giving the dough that signature fluffy yet chewy texture. Once mixed, it needs to rest for about 30 minutes, an absolutely crucial step. The temperature and humidity levels must be carefully controlled to ensure that every batch of dough rises just right, maintaining perfect consistency across thousands of pizzas. Once the dough has risen, it moves on to the shaping process. A machine called a chunker divides it into perfectly sized portions before sending it down the production line. Then, a sheeting machine rolls it into a smooth, uniform sheet, almost like using a rolling pin, but on a much larger and faster scale. A special cutter stamps out perfectly round pizza bases while any extra dough is collected and reused for the next batch. Before heading to the next stage, tiny holes are punched into the dough. Something you might not have noticed before, but it's key to preventing air bubbles from forming during baking. These little details make a huge difference in ensuring every crust turns out just right. Loving this behind-the-scenes look? Make sure to subscribe so you never miss more incredible food factory tours like this. Here's something you might not know. Most frozen pizzas aren't made with raw dough. Instead, they go through a process called par baking, which partially bakes the crust to help it hold its shape and prevent it from getting too soggy later on. The freshly cut pizza bases roll into an industrial oven, where they bake at temperatures between 390 and 600 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 to 4 minutes. This quick bake gives them a light golden color while keeping the inside soft and airy, setting them up perfectly for the next step: the toppings. Now comes the fun part: bringing the pizza to life. First, the sauce. Each brand has its own secret recipe, made in separate facilities and stored in massive cooling tanks high above the production line. Special nozzles dispense just the right amount of sauce onto each crust, ensuring even coverage from edge to edge. Then, the cheese. Large blocks of mozzarella, and sometimes a mix of cheddar or provolone, are shredded fresh right on site. A rotating conveyor system evenly distributes the cheese over each pizza, and any extra gets collected and reused, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Finally, the toppings. Whether it's spicy pepperoni, fresh bell peppers, or mushrooms, every ingredient is measured down to the gram and sprinkled onto the pizzas with incredible precision. Conveyor belts drop them in perfect amounts, ensuring every bite is balanced, no matter how many pizzas are being made at once. Before heading to the freezer, every pizza must pass one final test. Machines and human inspectors check for perfect weight, shape, and topping distribution, making sure no pizza is missing cheese, overloaded with sauce, or unevenly baked. Any pizza that doesn't meet the factory's high standards is either recycled or repurposed, because when you're making thousands of pizzas a day, there's no room for mistakes. To lock in freshness, the pizzas go through a state-of-the-art spiral freezer, where they slowly freeze over the course of 20 minutes at a controlled temperature of 25 degrees Fahrenheit. This gradual process ensures they stay fresh without becoming rock solid. Once frozen, they move straight to the packaging station. In just seconds, each pizza is wrapped in airtight shrink wrap, vacuum sealed for extra protection, and carefully placed into boxes, ready to be shipped to grocery stores all over the world. And just like that, your frozen pizza is ready to hit your oven whenever you're craving a slice. And that's how your favorite frozen pizza goes from factory to freezer to your plate. The next time you grab one from your freezer and pop it in the oven, you'll know exactly what went into making it. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to smash that like button and let us know in the comments. What's your go-to pizza topping? And of course, subscribe so you never miss another deep dive into how your favorite foods are made. See you next time.
Harvesting the tomatoes. Every day, millions of tomatoes are collected to produce the ketchup we all love. Advanced harvesting machines, often referred to as factories on wheels, are equipped with sharp blades and conveyor systems. These machines collect tomatoes, separate them from vines, and sort out unripe or damaged ones using laser scanners. In California, where 95% of U.S. tomatoes are grown, farmers cultivate tomatoes with thick skin and firm consistency to ensure they withstand the rigorous harvesting process. To enhance the flavor and density of the pulp, water supply is cut off 2 weeks before harvesting. Once harvested, ripe tomatoes are loaded onto trailers, each holding up to 22 tons, and transported to the factory. Processing at the factory. When the tomatoes arrive at the factory, they are unloaded into water-filled tanks to prevent bruising. The cleaning process begins with water jets and bubble tanks that gently remove dirt, stones, and any unripe tomatoes. The clean, sorted tomatoes then move through a hot bath to soften their skins. Peeling machines gently remove the outer layer, ensuring the flesh remains intact. The peeled tomatoes are then transferred to grinding machines, where they are crushed into a smooth puree. This puree is filtered to remove seeds and skins, ensuring the final product is smooth and uniform. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture and preserving the ketchup's iconic flavor. Cooking and mixing, creating the perfect blend. Once filtered, the tomato puree is transferred to large stainless steel cooking pots. These pots are heated using steam, which allows the mixture to cook evenly while preventing burning. Mechanical stirrers continuously turn the puree, ensuring it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot and maintaining the sauce's consistency. While the puree is cooking, another process begins. In a separate area of the factory, fresh garlic and onions are finely chopped and lightly cooked in sunflower oil until they release their aroma. Around 9 kilograms of garlic and onion are used for each batch, adding a rich, savory depth to the ketchup. Once the garlic and onions are ready, they are carefully added to the tomato puree. Next, precise amounts of salt, sugar, vinegar, and spices are introduced. These ingredients are mixed thoroughly with the tomato base, ensuring the ketchup achieves its signature taste and texture. A computerized system monitors the blending process, ensuring every batch meets the same high standards. The blending process lasts about 20 minutes. During this time, the flavors meld together, creating the rich, tangy taste that Heinz ketchup is known for. The cooked ketchup is then prepared for the final stages, pasteurization and packaging. Pasteurization and packaging, preserving perfection. After cooking, the ketchup is sent to the pasteurization room, where it is heated to high temperatures to kill bacteria and ensure food safety. This critical step also extends the product's shelf life, allowing it to remain fresh for months without refrigeration before opening. Once pasteurized, the ketchup is gradually cooled in a series of chambers. This process prevents condensation inside the packaging, which could affect the product's quality. Meanwhile, empty bottles and cans are prepared for filling. Depalletizers feed stacks of containers onto conveyor belts, where they are cleaned with a burst of ionized air to remove any dust or particles. The cooled ketchup is pumped through stainless steel pipes to automated filling machines. These machines dispense precise amounts of ketchup into each bottle or can, ensuring consistency. For aluminum cans, a burst of steam is injected to displace oxygen before the lid is sealed, creating an airtight environment that keeps the ketchup fresh for up to 9 months. Plastic bottles are securely capped using high-speed capping machines to prevent leaks. Next, the sealed containers move to the labeling station, where hundreds of bottles and cans are labeled every minute. Each label includes important details such as the product name, ingredients, and expiration date. Before shipping, the containers undergo a final quality inspection. High-speed cameras and sensors check for dents, missing labels, or improper seals. Any defective items are removed for further evaluation. Finally, the ketchup containers are packed into boxes or trays and stacked onto pallets. These pallets are loaded onto trucks, ready to be distributed to grocery stores and restaurants worldwide. From the fields where tomatoes are harvested to the factory, where they are transformed into a beloved condiment, every step in the production process is carefully designed to ensure the highest quality. This meticulous attention to detail is what makes Heinz ketchup a staple in households around the world. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications for more amazing content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Real potatoes, not goo. For years, McDonald's faced rumors that their fries were made from some mysterious potato goo. But that couldn't be further from the truth. The golden, crispy fries you know and love start with real whole potatoes grown at farms across the United States. McDonald's exclusively uses 2 famous potato varieties, Russet Burbank and Shepherdie. These varieties are chosen for their texture, starch content, and flavor, all the essentials for making world-class French fries. Even when John Richard Simplot developed the innate potato, a variety engineered to bruise less and release fewer harmful compounds when fried, McDonald's decided to stick with tradition. As a company spokesperson stated, McDonald's USA does not use genetically modified potatoes and has no plans to change its current sourcing practices. The farming process is also highly controlled to maintain quality. Before harvesting, farmers carefully monitor soil conditions and weather to ensure optimal timing. Once everything is ready, massive machines begin harvesting, collecting thousands of tons of potatoes daily. Only the best potatoes are selected to move on to the next stage, ensuring McDonald's iconic quality is upheld. Harvesting from fields to storage. McDonald's potato harvesting is a seamless blend of advanced technology and meticulous human oversight, ensuring every potato meets the highest standards. Before starting, farmers perform detailed checks on their equipment, from plows and harvesters to transport trucks. Everything must function perfectly to avoid any disruption to productivity or quality. The enormous harvesting machines can process 6 to 10 rows of potatoes at a time, operating with incredible speed and precision. These machines dig the potatoes out of the ground, clean them lightly on integrated conveyor belts, and gently transport them to avoid bruising. In a single day, these machines can harvest thousands of tons of potatoes, enough to supply McDonald's processing plants across the country. After harvesting, the potatoes are sent to special storage facilities equipped with strict temperature and humidity controls. These systems keep the potatoes fresh for months while maintaining their quality. The storage units also rotate the potatoes smartly, ensuring the oldest batches are used first to maintain consistency. This process is not just about collecting potatoes. It reflects McDonald's commitment to delivering premium quality fries from the very beginning. Cutting-edge cutting technology. When the potatoes arrive at the factory, they are thoroughly cleaned before heading to the cutting stage. This step is crucial in creating the uniform fries that McDonald's is known for. The cutting machines function like giant wood chippers using high-pressure water jets to slice potatoes at speeds of 60 to 70 miles per hour. The result is perfectly shaped fries, all identical in size, ensuring they cook evenly later. A factory employee once shared on Reddit that these machines are so powerful they can be intimidating. He even recalled an incident where someone accidentally stepped into a water waste flume and was nearly swept away, a testament to the sheer strength of these devices. Enhancing quality with safe ingredients. Once the potatoes are cut into their iconic shape, they are treated with a few safe ingredients to maintain their quality and signature golden color. A light coating of dextrose, a natural sugar derived from corn, is applied to the fries. This ensures they keep their appealing golden hue, no matter where in the world they're served. Additionally, sodium acid pyrophosphate is used to prevent the formation of acrylamide, a compound that can form when potatoes are fried at high temperatures. These ingredients, widely used in the food industry, play a key role in delivering consistently high-quality fries. This step not only ensures the fries are safe to eat, but also highlights McDonald's dedication to producing a product that looks and tastes the same every time. Partial frying and flash freezing. After being treated, the fries are partially fried at the factory. This process helps prevent bacterial growth and reduces the cooking time needed at restaurants. Once partially fried, the fries are sent through a flash freezing tunnel, which locks in their freshness, texture, and flavor. This rapid freezing process ensures that when the fries are served at McDonald's restaurants, they taste just as fresh as the day they were prepared. The secret flavor: natural beef flavor. One surprising element of McDonald's fries is their natural beef flavor. Years ago, McDonald's used beef tallow to fry their fries, which gave them their distinctive taste. While the company has since switched to vegetable oil to address concerns about saturated fat, they've retained the flavor by creating a natural beef essence made from hydrolyzed wheat and milk. This unique addition makes McDonald's fries vegetarian-friendly but not suitable for vegans. Cooking perfection at restaurants. When the fries arrive at McDonald's restaurants, they are fried in vegetable oil that contains no trans fats, achieving the perfect crispy texture in just 3 minutes. McDonald's has also perfected the amount of salt added to their fries, ensuring they meet the preferences of most customers. To maintain their high standards, the fries cannot sit in the warming tray for longer than 7 minutes, guaranteeing freshness with every serving. Tips for the freshest fries. McDonald's fries are already served hot and fresh thanks to their popularity and high turnover. However, if you want fries that are guaranteed to be straight out of the fryer, simply ask the staff for a fresh batch. It's a simple request, and while it may take an extra 3 to 5 minutes, the reward is a serving of piping hot, crispy fries. There's no need to ask for fries without salt to ensure freshness. The staff is happy to accommodate your request for freshly prepared fries. It's just another way McDonald's makes enjoying perfect fries even more convenient. Every day, McDonald's serves over 9 million pounds of French fries around the world. From advanced cutting machines to carefully tested cooking methods, every fry is a testament to the meticulous process behind its creation. Next time you enjoy a McDonald's fry, remember the incredible journey it's been on. From the farm to the fryer to your tray. And before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating stories and behind-the-scenes content.
The story began in 1856 when Gale Borden, an American inventor, sought to solve the challenge of preserving milk. By condensing milk with sugar, he created a product that could be stored for up to a year without refrigeration. This invention not only transformed milk storage, but also addressed food shortages during critical times. Condensed milk gained widespread popularity during the American Civil War when it provided soldiers with a reliable source of nutrition. The product's durability, high calorie content, and ease of transport made it an essential food item for troops on the battlefield. Beyond its practicality, soldiers cherished condensed milk for its rich flavor, which reminded them of home-cooked meals. This historic innovation laid the foundation for what we now consider an essential pantry item. To uncover more fascinating stories like this, subscribe to our channel and join us on a journey of culinary discoveries. 1. The dairy farms, where it all begins. The journey of condensed milk starts long before it reaches the can. It begins on sprawling dairy farms across the United States, where over 9 million cows are raised on approximately 60,000 farms. These farms employ advanced practices to ensure that cows are healthy and well cared for, as the quality of milk depends on the well-being of the animals. From carefully designed feeding regimens to routine health checks, every detail is managed to produce the best milk possible. In the past, milking cows was a labor-intensive task. Farmers relied on their hands to extract milk, a method that limited productivity. Modern milking machines have since revolutionized the process. These machines, equipped with soft suction cups, mimic the natural suckling motion of calves, making the process more efficient and comfortable for the cows. While a farmer using traditional methods could milk about 6 cows per hour, modern equipment allows up to 100 cows to be milked in the same amount of time. The advancements in dairy farming extend beyond milking technology. Many farms now house thousands of cows, with some facilities accommodating up to 7,500 animals. These large-scale operations use automated systems to ensure cows are milked at the right time, fed balanced diets, and kept in comfortable environments. Such innovations not only improve milk yield, but also enhance the cow's welfare, fostering a harmonious relationship between technology and traditional farming values. Two, from farm to factory, preserving freshness. Milk, the primary ingredient of condensed milk, is a highly perishable product. To maintain its freshness, the milk is cooled immediately after being collected. When milk is extracted, it is at a natural temperature of around 32 degrees Celsius. Specialized cooling tanks quickly bring this down to 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, locking in freshness and preventing spoilage. Refrigerated tankers transport the cooled milk to processing plants. Each tanker can carry up to 20,000 liters of milk and is equipped with systems to maintain precise temperatures during the journey. These tankers are designed to deliver milk within 6 to 10 hours of collection, ensuring it retains its peak quality. Upon arrival at the factory, the milk undergoes rigorous testing to verify its purity and nutritional composition. These checks ensure that only the best milk moves forward in the production process. 3. Quality control and ingredient preparation. Once the milk arrives at the factory, it undergoes stringent quality control procedures. Each batch is tested for fat content, protein levels, and possible contaminants. Advanced centrifuge systems then separate the cream from the skim milk. While the cream is often used for other dairy products, the skim milk becomes the base for condensed milk production. The milk is pasteurized to ensure safety. During this step, the milk is heated to 72 degrees Celsius for 15.5 seconds before being cooled again to 3 degrees Celsius. This process kills harmful bacteria without affecting the milk's natural flavor and nutrients. After pasteurization, sugar is added to the milk. This not only enhances the flavor, but also acts as a natural preservative, extending the product's shelf life. The precise combination of milk and sugar is a carefully guarded formula, perfected over generations of production. 4th, condensing milk, the core process. The heart of the process lies in condensing the milk. The milk and sugar mixture is heated to dissolve the sugar completely, ensuring a smooth consistency without crystallization. This sweetened milk is then passed through evaporators, where approximately 60% of the water content is removed. Evaporation occurs in specialized machines called calandrias. These devices use stainless steel tubes surrounded by steam chambers to gently remove water from the milk. The temperature and vacuum pressure are carefully controlled to preserve the milk's nutritional value while achieving the desired thickness. The result is a rich, creamy concentrate with a velvety texture and perfect sweetness. After evaporation, the milk undergoes homogenization, a process that breaks down fat particles to ensure a uniform texture. This step also prevents separation during storage, guaranteeing a smooth and consistent product. 5. Packaging perfection. With the milk now condensed, the next step is packaging. Cans and other containers are sterilized to eliminate any potential contaminants. Advanced filling machines dispense precise amounts of condensed milk into each container, minimizing waste and ensuring consistency. The containers are then sealed and subjected to high-pressure steam sterilization in autoclaves, further enhancing the product's safety and shelf life. Condensed milk is packaged in a variety of formats, including traditional tin cans and convenient squeeze bottles. This diversity caters to the needs of modern consumers, making it easy to use condensed milk for everything from baking to beverages. To see how technology has made this possible, subscribe to our channel and explore more behind-the-scenes innovations in food production. 6. A versatile kitchen essential. Condensed milk isn't just a sweetener, it's a versatile ingredient that transforms dishes. Whether you're creating classic flan, enriching coffee, or making decadent fudge, condensed milk adds creaminess and depth to every recipe. Its long shelf life and ease of use make it an indispensable item in kitchens worldwide. Beyond its culinary applications, condensed milk holds sentimental value for many families. It's a staple in traditional recipes passed down through generations, symbolizing comfort and nostalgia. The journey of condensed milk, from lush dairy farms to advanced factories, embodies the blend of tradition and innovation that brings this beloved ingredient to our tables. As you enjoy your favorite desserts, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and dedication behind every can of condensed milk. From the careful care of cows to the precision of modern technology, every step in the process contributes to the exceptional quality of this product. If you're inspired to learn more about food production and its fascinating history, don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and join us on more exciting journeys into the world of food. We can't wait to share more stories with you. See you next time.